Mr. Speaker, you need to talk to Honorable Chepkonga that this is not the Eldoret Cooperative Society. We are in Parliament, Mr. Speaker. He's intimidating me here. But Mr. Speaker, having said that, in relation to the motion, that the notice of motion that has been given, in relation to the notice of motion. We shall
listen to the Honorable Junet.
Mr. Speaker,
go on.
Let me reserve my comment. Mr. Speaker, in relation to the motion, notice of motion that has been tabled by Honorable Ishungwa, Mr. Speaker, I want to bring to the attention of the House that when you have told them to go and get the report of the committee, the vetting committee that you chair, I want to single out and ask them to pay attention that there is a minority report for discussion in this House that is rejecting the nomination of Honorable Aisha Jumwa and Honorable Linturi, Mr. Speaker. The people being rejected are not only one person. We are rejecting 3 people in total, Mr. Speaker, and I'm just urging them to look into it. Not that I'm debating. Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Junet.
Thank you.
Your point is made.